Love you.
It's a wasp. What do you want, wasp? Hey garden dreamers, Joe here from El Paso, Texas. This garden bed is getting a little out of control, and I saw Patrick from In the Garden with Patrick put his zucchinis vertically. So I'm gonna try to do that. It's a little late. I should have done this earlier, so we'll see if I don't break the plant. Oh my gosh, it has a huge zucchini! I didn't even notice. Oh yeah, that's ready. I'm gonna take that off. There's 2 of them, and I'm gonna try to put them vertically without breaking them. So we'll see. So let's do this. Come see my zucchini. Dun, 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 dun. Who wants zucchini bread? Yay, my first zucchini. It's the end of August. I didn't think I was gonna get any zucchinis anymore. It was just growing and growing, and it kept getting male flowers, these thin flowers, but the ones that have a thicker stem, those are the ones that become the zucchini. But these have to pollinate with those, and then you get a zucchini. Here's like the end of that flower. So you could either like hand pollinate them sometimes. You can get these flowers, and when you see the ones with the thicker stem, you could cut the flower like this, and then you just rub the pollen from one flower to the other flower, and that's how you get the zucchini. But I have bees all around, so they usually do the work for me. I didn't do it this year. So if you could see these 2 zucchinis, this one probably didn't get pollinated, so that's why she didn't grow. And then there's one over here that also probably didn't get pollinated, and that one didn't grow either. So that's why we're gonna have to put them vertically so it could get more airspace, and then we won't get this powdery mildew that some of these leaves are starting to get, so it could get more airflow. And my tomatoes are also out of control over here. I haven't cut them or anything. I just have let them go wild. But I do have space over here to plant more things for the fall, which is why I'm gonna put this vertically. Let me put my dad's work shirt on, because the zucchinis have like these tiny little splinters that I've gotten on me, and I can never get them back out, or it's hard to get them back out. So I may get covered up and ready to try to move these things. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna cut some of these bottom leaves off that I don't need, so I can create some airflow and try to stand this up. Here's another zucchini that was coming along and probably didn't get pollinated, so she might not grow, which is why we have to do this. And it's best to do this before you have zucchini, because I'm sure now I'm gonna kill some of the roots, and that's not good. And when I originally put this bed, there's sticks and logs in there, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this in there. Hubby,
I don't think so.
need your help. Alrighty, so.
Are you going to be tying ropes, and what are you doing?
No, I'm going to be putting this, or like kind of zip tying it to stand. It's not that heavy. It's just to get it off the ground. See how all this is on the ground?
Yeah.
And then I have all this empty space over here that I could like plant stuff. See? Yeah. Look at tomatoes are hiding because I didn't even know they were there. Yeah. So that is the plan. So I'm gonna grab it from there and get this massive zip tie. I'm sure there's an in-between.
You know that
It'll keep like
branches
growing.
kind of spread out though, right? You don't want to keep the branches.
Well, they're spread out.
Or no, doesn't matter.
Well, they were already bundled up.
Good.
This is a little better. It'll fix itself. What's this?
To cut the zips.
Oh. Why are you laughing at me?
I love you. Inside joke.
Okay, so this one is growing 2 stems. It's growing this stem over here and this stem this way. So how I will put this, I don't know. This guy's gonna fall this way, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna need another T-post. And then this guy's huge. It's gonna go like this. So I guess get that T-post on the, oh, it's over there on the other end. By the casita, I think. Ah, little asshole.
Yeah.
This guy
Okay.
ruining my
What is it?
Hello, little wormy. What are you looking for to destroy my crops?
Zoom in the leaves that are.
You wanna? I'm gonna put you over here. I have a bowl. On this post, we should have put these ribs on this side. That way, this could hang.
A little bit better without being as tight.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, it went down. Down, 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 down,
Can we
down,
fix
down,
the other
down.
one?
Fix what? No. It's there.
Come here. Ooh, and I don't like to see. The lenses are off.
My goodness. My husband has OCD worse than I do. And he wants things aligned and straight. And it's just not going to happen in the world of garden.
Not with that attitude.
Let's see. Ah!
The world of garden was a slip knot.
Oh my gosh. Well, try not to break this. That's what I'm doing. I feel like I'm going to, because okay, you come this way. Okay,
A lot of cracks.
that way. Yeah, it breaks easily. The leaves break off easily.
Yeah, with the leaves or your joints?
And probably my joints also. Ah, this broke. So I'm just gonna take it off. Wah, sorry, I lost all this.
What was it gonna give you though?
Zucchinis.
It's still zucchini?
Yeah. Yeah, look, here's one. Here's 2. Sorry. All right. Oh boy.
I thought it was enough. I would have put the post on the other side.
Yeah, no. Okay. Let me just try to grab this here and then work from there. Oh no. Oh no.
Cracks.
Criggity crack crack. Okay. We got it off the ground. This seemed much easier when you were doing it, Patrick. All right. I'm going to take this one off because she's not pretty.
She's not gonna grow.
No, she's already molding. Here's one possibly growing. Not sure. Here's another one possibly growing. Okay. Ta-da.
Yeah.
All right, we
You wanna
shall
do
see
another
what
layer of
happens.
zucchini? Try and break it.
Yeah. All right, I'm pretty sure I've taken off 50% of their leaves, so let's see if they don't get mad at me.
And broke the other percentage.
Okay, it's off the ground. Dun, 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 dun. I think I'm done. I'm hoping they don't die because I took a lot of the leaves off. So I'll post this in about 5 days and see how they're doing. 5 days. I should have a whole zucchini growing. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna leave these here for a while with this little wormy. And then when it dries, I'll put it in my compost. It should dry in about a day or two. So this is what she ended up looking like this day right after propping her up. And 2 days later, she looks super healthy. Her leaves are up now, not droopy like they were at the beginning. And it looks like she's growing a zucchini right there. I'll just help pollinate it, hopefully. I don't know if you could see toward the middle, there's a lot more space, so I'm gonna put carrots there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.